Hi everybody, so I am right now at what can I say, Louis' head office. So yeah, so we're going to start the virtual launch shortly. Yeah, the weather is really nice outside and seems like a very cool day to get a new venture started. So let me show you the team. Hi guys.
Hello.
So are you all excited?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
If I can't hear you, how do you think public is going to hear you?
Hello.
So everybody is all ready with their cameras, and here's the amazing yum yum cake. Yes, www.louisin. And yeah, feels so good being the host and the launcher at the same time. So yeah, I'm doing 2-in-1, so waiting for public to build up so we can start the launch. I mean, everybody knows about Louis already. Andarki Louis gurinchi telusu. It's a new brand in market. I would say definitely soon it's going to be a one-stop shopping destination. I am assuming at least for the South Indian customers because it's going to be very personalized. So I am super duper excited to be a part of it because I've had a really amazing long journey with Kakatiya Fabrics through Linen House, and today I am here supporting them in the launch of their app. Everybody knows about Louis already. Andarki Louis gurinchi telusu, but today everybody andarki mobile phone lo one touch access is what everybody looks at because technology has made life very convenient. So laptop lo elli shop cheyadam kanna people like to have their applications on the phone, so easy ga, so that they can go and select their products and shop on the go, maybe when they are traveling or when they're just sitting and watching television. So everybody wants to be on the go or wants things to be easy. Kabatti Louis decided to launch their own app so that the customers can have easy access to the products. So isn't it, guys? And these are the ones, these guys are actually developing the app and doing everything possible to make our customers' life as easy and as comfortable as possible, right guys?
Yeah.
Everybody is hungry. It's lunch time kada, so everybody is hungry. Andarki aaklestundi, especially when you have such an amazing cake next to it. So yeah, that's the whole excitement clubbed with hunger. This is so unusual. Generally, openings gani, launches ki gani, they're almost like 2,000 odd people. We're all busy pushing each other, smelling each other's sweat, and all that jazz. And this is just so unusual. I don't know for good or for bad, but then I really hope that this COVID era comes to an end very soon. And Malik, we should go smell everyone's sweat and rub against each other when launches and things happen. But definitely public unte enthusiasm vere rakanga untadi, energy vere rakanga untadi. Now we have a bunch of people who are so hungry and everybody is eyeing on that cake. So it's amazing. It's an amazing chocolate cake. Even I have got my focus on it. But we are here to launch Louis' application, mobile app today, so that the customers' life becomes more easier and they can shop their favorite products on the go. So let's do it then. Hello, Tirupati Rao. So Louis app is on Apple phones and as well as on Androids. So here I am going and checking. yep, it's downloading, and so yeah, guys. Now is the main thing. As I said that on my story, that there's tons of surprise for all of you, as well as loads of giveaways and free gifts. So the first 1,000 downloads right away get a free lipstick, and men get a very nice surprise-filled gift hamper. So the first 1,000 downloads go right away, guys. Assured gifts out there. For women, we have lipsticks, and for men out there, we have this really surprise-filled gift hamper. So వెంటనే మీరు ఈ application download చేయగానే there's an assured free gift for men and women out there. As I said, for women we have lipsticks, and for men we have a surprise-filled gift hamper. You can expect something that you can use on daily basis. So that's one thing. Also, Louis is giving out to their top spenders every day, to their top 3 spenders, 100% cashback. So all you need to do, so it really can't get better. All you need to do is shop, and shop, spend and get 100% cashback. I think this is amazing. I'm going to say this in Telugu again so that మన తెలుగు audience కూడా connect అవుతారు. వెంటనే మీరు application ని download చేస్తే first 1,000 downloads are going to get free lipstick అండి. అమ్మాయికి free lipstick, అబ్బాయికి వచ్చి ఒక surprise gift hamper అన్నమాట. దాంట్లో ఉన్న products మీరు on your day-to-day basis మీరు వాడొచ్చు. So yes, go ahead. First 1,000 downloads, you get these free gifts. అమ్మాయికి వచ్చి lipstick, అబ్బాయికి వచ్చి ఒక surprise gift hamper. అలాగే every day Louis app లో స్పెండ్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు టాప్ 3 స్పెండర్స్ కి 100% క్యాష్ బ్యాక్ Louis ఇవ్వబోతున్నారు. సో బేసిక్లీ మీకు ప్రొడక్ట్ కూడా మీ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మీరు ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్ మీద స్పెండ్ చేసిన డబ్బులు కూడా మీకు తిరిగి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ కాంట్ బి ఎనీ బెటర్. సో ఆల్ దిస్ ఇస్ బికాస్ వీఆర్ సూపర్ ఎక్సైటెడ్. అండ్ Louis ఆల్రెడీ హ్యాస్ ఇట్స్ వెబ్సైట్ అండి. కానీ మా కస్టమర్స్ అందరూ లైఫ్ ఇంకా ఈజీ చేయడానికి, వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా సులభంగా షాపింగ్ చేయడానికి, ఆన్ టు గో వాళ్ళు షాపింగ్ చేయగలగాలని Louis has launched its app. So go right away and download and enjoy the free gifts. Okay, so the website initially was louis.store, which is now turned into louis.a. So yeah. Customized website, so enjoy the shopping experience. But as of now, go download the app right away. There are loads and loads of free gifts waiting for you. Now let's eat some cake, guys. Let's eat some cake. This is the team behind Louis' success. Louis' app launch, even the website did pretty great. But as I was mentioning, that customers want to shop on the go. They want life to be easier. Everybody nowadays wants a one-touch access to everything. So that's the reason we are launching the Louis mobile app. Today it is available on all Android phones as well as Apple phones. So go ahead, as we're giving away amazing gifts to men and women. For women, lipstick, and for men, a surprise gift hamper for the first 1,000 downloads. So go ahead and download the app now, and we're going to get some cake. Come. All right, congratulations. Okay, so since we are following COVID protocols, I'm going to really expect each one to help themselves. Let's follow the COVID protocols and let's keep it neat, clean and healthy. So we'll have somebody serving everybody cake. I know we all probably did it fast, but then yeah, COVID protocols. So because the COVID era is going on and the pandemic is still out there, Kaveri, we decided to do a virtual launch. Definitely launching any kind of venture with the public to part. So elanti venture launches inapudu anandam verega untadi, energy verakanga untadi. It's a different experience altogether. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చిన మనకి లవ్ కానీ appreciation కానీ we always want that kind of warmth from our public. Kani purna paristitilo, we can't help it, and that is the reason online shopping is become really huge now. You can sit in your comfort of homes and be intro, me sanitized environment nunchi you can comfortably shop on your mobiles or through your laptops. So this is, as of now, the new way of life, so we need to embrace it. So until this whole pandemic comes to an end, which we all hope soon, the best way is to stay home, stay safe, and shop from the comforts of your home. We don't have to compromise on our health, or we don't have to compromise on our looks. We can still look fashionable, we can still be updated, we can still look awesome, and all within the comfort of our home space. So go ahead and shop and download the app now, and let's get to take it. So yeah guys, that was the app launch of Louis. Thank you so much for joining us, and as I said, first 1,000 downloads get free gifts, assured free gifts. Ladies andaru meeku lipsticks. I have chosen the color, it's my favorite color. So for ladies andarki lipsticks, abbayil andarki it's a curated surprise gift hamper anamata. So go ahead and download the app now to get assured gifts. The first 1,000 downloads get assured gifts. Alage Louis app valu every day top 3 spenders ki, top 3 highest spenders ki are giving 100% cash back. So it can't get better than this. మీరు కొనిన ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కూడా మీతో పాటు ఉంటుంది, అలాగే ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ మీద స్పెండ్ చేసిన డబ్బులు కూడా మీకు తిరిగి వచ్చేస్తాయి. సో గో హెడ్ అండ్ స్పెండ్, అండ్ ఎవ్రీ డే top 3 spenders get 100% cash back on the products that they have bought. So also there are tons and tons of offers, and I just received this Louis offers. I mean, look at the number of offers that they have. There's refer and earn, there's 20% off on all products. Oh wow, so they also have Louis account points, so you can shop and you can earn points which you can redeem in your next shopping again at checkout. Free gifts with every purchase. Of course, in ippude cheppanu, first 1,000 downloads get free assured gifts. They have, oh wow, they have sign up bonus rewards also. So meer ippudu ventane application download cheyagane, sign up cheyagane, you're getting bonus rewards which you can also use at checkout. Cash rewards, buy one get one free. Wow, so I mean, లిస్ట్ ఇంత పెద్దది ఉందంటే ఇంకా మనం పండగ చేసుకోవచ్చు అంతే. సో జస్ట్ వెంటనే వెళ్ళి అప్లికేషన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి అండ్ చెక్అవుట్ ఆల్ ది ఆఫర్స్ దట్ లూవి హ్యాస్ టు ఆఫర్ యూ. సో పాండమిక్ నడుస్తుంది కాబట్టి వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అ చాయిస్ బట్ టు స్టే హోమ్ అండ్ స్టే సేఫ్. అవసరం ఉన్నంత వరకే మనం బయటకు వెళ్ళాలండి, లేకపోతే ఇంట్లోనే ఉండాలి. సో బట్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు కాంప్రమైజ్ ఆన్ ద వే యూ లుక్ ఆర్ ద వే యూ ఫీల్. If you want to put on an amazing lipstick, go shop an amazing lipstick on Louis. You want to give yourself some nice facial, go pick up some products at Louis. You want to put on some nice makeup, go pick up makeup stuff at Louis. So tons of things, thousands of products, hundreds of products out there on the app. So ivanni meeku teliyalante asalu Louis app lo elanti products unnai, ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్స్తో మీకు వచ్చే బెనిఫిట్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఇవన్నీ తెలుసుకోవాలంటే వెంటనే need to download the app. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and as usual I love you all, and thank you so much for all your support, and keep pouring in the love. I love you all once again, and thank you so much, and once again congratulations and all the best to Louis mobile app. Bye bye.